Good evening, students. Today's project or topic is to display the table of a desired number. We will enter a number and we will get the table of that desired number, or we can say the first 10 multiples of that number. So, dear students, this I have designed an interface. This is a label one over here. I'll write on the caption number. I have to remove it. I'll click over here, select it, press delete key, command 1, I'll write a run, and command 2, I'll write clear. So run, command 1, click. So first I'll define a variable. I'll write dim a as integer. The top I have to write dim a as integer. A is equal to text 1 dot text. The value of a will be entered in this text box, text 1 dot text. Enter. Now we use a loop. Loop is for j. J is a counter. Loop starts with for. J is a counter. How many numbers multiples is equal to 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Then I want print a semicolon inverted commas multiply by inverted commas close semicolon j semicolon inverted commas is equal to inverted commas semicolon a multiply by j. Next j. Enter. So I have written my. Now close it. Now what is the use of this clear? I double click it and I'll just write one command cls. I'll run it. Okay, I want to table of 5. Now you can see the table of 5. Clear it. 52. Run. Clear it. 14. Run. If it will not clear it, it will press any other number and run. It will display after it. So we'll clear it again and again. So student, I hope you understand it. I'll show you the interface and the command. This is the coding and this is the interface. I hope you must understand it. Students, do your best, prove yourself and try to achieve good marks. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.